I'm going to show you two separate calculations. One of them is 9 divided by 4, and the other one is the other way around, 4 divided by 9. So watch this now. 9 comes under the bus shelter first, and then the 4. Now we deal with our 4 times table. How many 4s go into 9? 4, 8, okay, twice. 4 times 2 is 8. What do I need to make a 9? What do I need to make a 9? I need one more. So that's the remainder. The remainder goes here. Now I've reached the very end, but that little 1 looks a little bit weird. So I put a 0 next to it to make it look like a 10. And then don't forget the decimal point because I've reached the end. Now how many 4s go into 10? 4, 8, 12. That's too much, right? Twice, only twice. 4 times 2 is 8. What do I need to make this 10? How many more do I need to make it 10? From 8 to a 10, I need 2 more. So the remainder goes right there. That little 2 looks a bit weird, so I'll stick a 0 there to make it look like a 20. How many 4s go into 20? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Exactly 5, no remainder. So I don't need to carry on with this now. So the answer is 2.25. Now this one here, the 4 comes first under the bus shelter, 9 on the outside. Right, we need to know our 9 times table for this, because we're dividing by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. We'll do a few more if we need to, okay, later on, okay? Just let's use these for now. Right, 9 into 4 does not fit. Stick a 0 to say you can't do it. And then carry that 4, because I've not used it, carry that 4 over here. Now that little 4 looks a bit strange, so you need to put a 0 there to make it look like a 40. And because we reached the end, we need to put a decimal point. Right, how many 9s go to 40? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 5 would be too much. It'd be more than 40 then. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. What do I need? So remember, 9 times 4 is 36. What do I need to make this 40? How many more do I need to make a 40? I need 4 more, so that's the remainder. And then stick a 0 to make that look like a 40. How many 9s go to 40? Well, it's the same thing again, isn't it? 9 into 40 goes 4 times, the remainder of 4. Stick a 0 to make it look like a 40. Looks like this is going to repeat itself. It'll be 0.4444. We just say 0.4 recurring. Put a big dot over the 4 to say the 4 keeps on happening. Right, this 4 divided by 9 that I just did just a while ago, that 4 divided by 9 is the same as 4 over 9, or 4 divided by 9, 4 over 9. You can use the bus stop method that I've just used to convert this 4 over 9 into a decimal. Now let me just show you another example. Let's say I want to change 3 8s, or 3 divided by 8, into a decimal. That there is the same as 3 divided by 8, and we know for this we have to do 3. 3 comes first under the bus shelter, and put the 8 outside. So we need to know our 8 times table. Now I want to see how many 8s go into 3. Well, 8 does not fit into 3 at all. So stick a 0 to say you can't do it. Now I've not used this 3, so I need to carry that 3 over here. And that little 3 looks a bit weird, so I need to put a 0 to make it look like a 30. And because I've reached the very end over here, I need to put a decimal point. Now, how many 8s go into 30? Have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's too much. 1, 2, 3. Right? Only 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. What do I need to make this 30? What's remaining to make a 30? I need 6 more. So that's the remainder there. Goes there. That little 6 looks a bit weird by itself, so I need to put a 0 to make it look like a 60. Now, how many 8s go into 60? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, that one would be too much. That's 7. 8 times 7 is 56. What do I need to make the 60? I need 4 more. So that's the remainder that goes there. Stick a 0 to make it look like a 40. Now, how many 8's going to 40? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly 5, no remainder. So it looks like our 3 8's over here, our 3 8's is the same as, is equivalent to 0, it's the same as 0.375. But just be careful that 3 8's is not the same as 8 over 3. It's not the same, because here you'd be doing 8 divided by 3. In this case, the 3 would go on the outside.